Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a new video. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video will be on how to conceal under eye dark circles or any pigmentation you have. So without any delay, let's begin the video. Before starting the makeup, it is important to prep your skin. So I have prepped my skin. The first step of the makeup after prepping your skin is to apply the primer. This is a blurring primer. I am applying the primer where I have the pores. I have pores on the cheeks and also on forehead and nose. So I am applying the primer to those areas. This primer is from the brand Lakme. I'll be using the orange collector from the brand Illegal. Now first let's understand the dark circles and hyperpigmentation. Dark circles are the areas of discolored skin beneath the eyes. These can appear as a dark patches or shadows under the eyes and sometimes also over the eyelid. You can see that I have dark patches under my eyes and also over my eyelid. Dark circles occur from various reasons like genetics and thin skin, aging or sleep and allergy, hydration and exposure to the sun and sometimes medical conditions. You can also see that I have hyperpigmentation around my mouth. It is darkening of certain areas of the skin compared to the surrounding areas. My skin color around my mouth is darker than the cheek areas. The darkening of the skin occurs due to an excessive production of melanin. The causes are like same as the for dark circles like sun exposure, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, hormonal changes, aging, and the undertone of the dark circles or the hyperpigmentation may vary from person to person. Mostly the undertone of the dark circles and hyperpigmentation will be blue or purple undertone. To conceal the dark circles and hyperpigmentation, it is important to understand the color theory. Given that dark circles or pigmentation often exhibit purple or blue undertones, we can observe on the color wheel the complementary colors for purple and blue are orange and red. This means that selecting a peach tones is ideal for light skin tones and orange suits me for medium skin tones and a red complements dark skin tones. It is very important to choose the color corrector according to your skin tones. So before applying any foundation or concealer, it is important to color correct the area. If you don't color correct the area where you have applied the foundation or concealer directly, after some times it will start to look gray. So to avoid that, it is very important to apply the color corrector before concealing those dark circles and hyperpigmentation. In this video, I'll show how to conceal the dark circles or hyperpigmentation with concealer and also without concealer. After applying the orange corrector to all the areas where I have the dark circles and hyperpigmentation, I'll be using a full coverage foundation over that. Here I am not going to use any concealer to conceal the orange corrector. I'll just directly use the full coverage foundation to conceal the orange corrector and also to the half part of my face. After applying the foundation, I have used a brush to blend the foundation. You can see that I am just tapping the foundation over the areas where I have applied the color corrector. You should not drag the foundation where and all you have applied the color corrector, or else the color corrector it will mix with the foundation and the foundation will look orange. You can also use a wet beauty blender to blend the foundation. We can use a full coverage foundation after applying the color corrector to conceal the corrector. Since the foundation will be full coverage, it will be more than enough to conceal the orange corrector. There is no need to apply the concealer and foundation. The full coverage foundation is more than enough to cover the orange corrector. It also allows to avoid the unnecessary layering of the concealer and foundation. It is good to have less layer of makeup for natural finish. Always remember less is more. You all can also notice that I have applied the orange corrector on my upper eyelid area because I have the dark circles over there also. If you are applying any eyeshadow, there is no need to apply the orange corrector the upper eyelid area. Since I'm not applying any eyeshadow for this look, so I have applied the orange corrector on my upper eyelid area also. You can see the difference how it has concealed my dark circles and also the hyperpigmentation area. Now on my left side, I'll be using a concealer to conceal my dark circles. I'm using the concealer from the brand Elegant and applying it to those areas where I have color corrected. Now by using a brush, I'm blending the concealer. You can see that here also I'm not dragging the concealer. I'm just dabbing the concealer over my color corrected areas. After concealing the dark circles or any hyperpigmentation, you can use a medium coverage foundation and applying it to only those areas where I have not color corrected. It is not necessary to apply the foundation over the concealer. If you want, you can apply, or else you can skip applying the foundation over the concealer. If you feel like the color corrector is not concealed after applying the concealer, then you can apply the foundation over the concealer. The foundation will conceal the any orange corrector that is peeking through, or else you can skip applying the foundation over the concealer, because too much layer means much makeup. Also note that after applying the color corrector, do not apply a light concealer. Apply the concealer that is matching to your skin tone. You can highlight the areas later after concealing the color corrector. Do not apply the light concealer foundation directly over the color corrected areas. After applying foundation, set the foundation with the powder for the foundation to last long. Before setting the eye area, make sure that there are no creases, because we tend to have fine lines around our eye area. So make sure that there are no creases and blend the eye area well before setting the eye area. You all can see that we cannot notice that I have applied concealer on one side and no concealer on other side, only the foundation. So these are the methods for concealing the dark circles and hyperpigmentation. I hope you all like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.